we see how we can select from other multiple tables, how we can filter from other tables. Now let's see how we can update from multiple tables, right? We also actually see how to insert from other table, where you just insert as a select as a query, right? Now for update the field. Currently, what we have learned is update a field in a target table, one row at a time. And data can be literal or expression based on target table's column. Like we'll update table, set column 1 equals to value 1, column 2 equals to value 2, where something. And this where is applied to the table, to the target table that is specified. We can also update from multiple tables, from a relation, from related tables. We can update the table or target table based on a relation formed by joining the target table to other tables. Note here, target table must be present, right? So the new values can be expression based on the new relations column, which means it can be a combination of or expression based on values both from target table and from the joined table. What the syntax will be still update target table, right? And then select column 1 equals to value 1, etc., or expression 1. Now we have a new clause called from table 1, table 3, table 2, table 3, new tables. And then in the where clause, we are going to have two types of where clause. One is a join condition, which joins target table with table 2 and table 3, etc. And also the filter condition. The filter condition can be applied to both target table and the from clause tables. The new relation, where the data, when you update a target table, the data has to come from somewhere, right? The table, the data has to come from a new relation. This relation must have a mapping with the target table. Otherwise, how do you know which row meets which value, right? The new relation is a join of all tables in from clause plus target table. So the highlighted part, target table, table 2, table 3, is similar to the select from syntax in the old SQL syntax, where you will just be select from target table, table 2, table 3, followed by a where clause with a join condition. You will have a new column, a new relation, which is formed by the joining between target table, table 2, table 3, similar to what the traditional SQL defines, right? So that's when you have this value, then for each, okay, let me put this back. Oops. When you create this mapping, when you create this target table as a relation, you have the column 1, column 2 of each row. You are still doing the same thing as what we have been discussing so far. You go through each row in target table. You match each row in the target table to the rows, each row in table 2, table 3 with the join condition. Whenever you see the join condition, it's a match. Then you will pick up the value from table 2 or table 3. Now, if your column 1 is supposed to be set to expression 1, like some value in target table 1, target table work together, calculates with some value in table 2, table 3, that's when you can do the calculation, because your row in target table, by using the join condition, identify the value that exists in table 2 and table 3. Your target table row is able to match with a row in table 2 and table 3 through the join condition. And then that's when you get all the value you need in the expression, which basically are values from the target table, table 2, and table 3, right? And of course, in this process, you will do a where clause on filtering. This filter can either be on target table or on table 2, table 3. And also join condition in the end is also a filtering and removing all the table, all the unnecessary rows from table 2 and table 3, right? So this is when you can make a calculation. However, what if each row in target table has some row in target table corresponds to multiple values? What if the join condition returns multiple rows for the row in target table? In this case, the result is unpredictable. Postgres will randomly pick one, and it's hard to tell which one it will pick. But for this reason, the tables in the from clause must all have a one-to-many relationship with target table, which means the target table is functionally dependent on all the tables in the from clause. All the table in the from clause must be one-to-many to the target table. Each row in target table should only find one and one only corresponding row in the from clause tables. So this will ensure you only getting one value from the join, and the update, the set part will have no ambiguity. And unfortunately, there's no error reported if it returns multiple values. So you have to pay attention yourself.